In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your profile private on Facebook. Okay, so to do this, there are a couple of settings that we need to change and toggle on. Gone are the days are just a simple one-click button to private your account. Here's how you can actually do it now moving forward. Now what you need to do is go to menu in the bottom right-hand corner. Once you click on menu for the first time, it should look something like this. Now you want to scroll down and go to settings and privacy, and that will bring down this drop down window. From here, we can click on settings. Now inside of settings, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom or near to the bottom, and you'll see audience and visibility. Control who can see what you share on Facebook. So this is going to be step number one. We want to go to profile details, and from here, you want to change all of this to only me. So you've got here places that you used to live. You've got here contact info. If you click on it, you can change it from public to only me, or you can change it to friends. But if you really want to private it, change it to only me. So there you go. Those are my linked socials, changed to only me. As you can see, everything's looking like it's only me here. So that's good. Now we'll go to the next one, how people can find and contact you. Who can send you friend requests? You can change this from everyone to friends of friends. So that's going to be the best option there. Who can see your friend list? I've changed that to only me. And again, you're going to have to do this for all of these settings because Facebook like to make it difficult for you to private your account. Message requests. Don't receive message requests. I've got this on, but you could have this on to message requests or chats if you want to allow people to message you. And here you've got all of these other options as well. So that is how can people find and contact you. Then you've got posts. Who can see your future posts? If you don't want anyone to see it, which I don't know why you would, you can change it to only me. You can also keep it as friends or friends that accept specific people, or you can have them public. Again, up to you completely. Then limit who can see my past posts. You can go ahead and change this as well and limit your past posts so nobody can see them. And then again, you're going to have to go and just scroll through these. You've got followers and public content. Who can follow me? Again, do you want nobody to be able to follow you? You can change that. Who can see your followers on your profile? I'm going to put that to only me. And essentially, we're just locking down our profile one by one. So go through all of these and change it to only me. There is one last thing that I would recommend you do. If you go home in the bottom left-hand corner, you then go to your profile icon in the top left. You'll be then on your profile. Now, if you go to the three dots in the top right here next to edit profile, you can then click view as, and then if you change this content on your profile is public. So you can go ahead and change this and you can see what is public and what isn't. So we can see how many friends we have, but we're not allowed to click on it and see the friends list. So we would have to lock down these posts. So if we click edit profile, we can then go and do that. And we're going to have to find the posts. So I can then go back to my profile. We can see these posts. We can click on the three dots next to it. We can go to edit privacy. And then here, who can see your post? You can change this to only me. Again, this is probably a setting that I missed in the settings tab because there is a lot of things that you need to go through and change. But if you just change it to only me for all of the settings, then you will essentially have locked down your Facebook profile. So I hope that video helped you out. Let me know if it did in the comment section below.